Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got another awesome listing to show you guys today. It's a 2014 Sea Hunt BX22BR. This is the bay boat model. As you can see, it's very clean, nicely equipped. It's got the trolling motor on the front, 154 stroke Yamaha on the back, T-top, tons of storage for rods, fishing components, as well as family fun. Stepping aboard on the stern. Quick look at the dash. It's got the twin bolstered Helm seats, leaning post with storage for a cooler underneath. It's got the port and starboard fold down bucket seats for when you're in transit, and then you fold them back down and have a nice casting fishing platform. Stepping on and off the dock. Got a transom live well here. Hydraulic steering on this. This little swim platform with a couple steps. Rocket launcher. Back of the leaning post. Top of the T-top with the angled kingfish rod holders. So it does have the tea bag on it for life jacket storage, so it's not clogging up anything else for you. Lockable storage up top. Got the Lowrance GPS fish finder and the Garmin. You can have one designated for GPS and the other for fish finder. Speedometer, tachometer, trim, fuel gauge, all your switches down here. Trim tabs with LED indicators. VHF, standard horizon. Like I said, it is C-Star hydraulic steering, stainless steering wheel. Nice handle, nice pipe work on this boat. Got rod holders pretty much everywhere. You've got storage for rods in the gunnels. Walking up front, see a really nice fishing platform here for casting. The forward seat here. A little bit of stitching coming apart. Another forward live well here. More storage. You can see in the pictures all of this open. Rod storage, dry storage there. We've got fish box up forward. Goes way up to the bow. And we've got the trolling motor, batteries in there. Really well equipped for fishing inshore and on a nice day offshore. It's got the spot lock Minn Kota trolling motor with the dash module to keep your GPS located. Really nice tackle storage here. Absolutely huge for a 22-foot boat. Boat is dry stored here in Wilmington, North Carolina. There's no bottom paint, and it does come with the trailer. Lots of storage in here. Back of the helm covered up. This is the battery charger, as well as the hookup for it. Keep those trolling motor batteries nice and charged up for you. This 4-stroke 150 is just under 1,000 hours. Service records upon request. Like I said, this boat does not have bottom paint. Comes with a trailer. Really great fishing platform located here in Wilmington, North Carolina. This is 2014 Sea Hunt BX22BR. Again, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. Another awesome brokerage listing. You guys have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.